Hey friends, we're here at World of Concrete 2025 and we're going to check out what's new with Bosch. Let's go inside. All right, welcome to the new product booth here at World of Concrete. We're so excited. We've launched over 30 plus tools in 2024. We're launching another plus 30 tools again. We are so laser focused on the concrete trades, framing, forming, everything you have from system tools that built off that 18-volt battery. So one thing I always want to tell people with Bosch is that we are laser focused on cutting solutions. For the first time ever, we have a chop saw that is an 18-volt, single 18-volt battery chop saw that can do up to 4-inch pipe. So this is a real metal cutting chop saw, not just for track and studs anymore. We also have a recip saw that has kickback control, meaning we're protecting the ultimate investment, which is your user and your arm. We also have our new celebrity here that we're going to be demonstrating throughout the show is our 9-inch cutoff saw. So again, when we think about cutting solutions, Bosch is really changing the game in terms of how we deliver a better solution to protect you overall. Last fall, we launched a new category for Bosch, the finish nailer. So we have a 16, 15 brad nailer and narrow crown stapler. We also launched trim routers, rear handle circ saw, brushless planer. So we're focused on also the finished carpenter at heart too, because that's near and dear to the Bosch brand.
Hi guys, I'm Justin, product manager at Bosch. Today I'm going to walk you through our GCD 18V 14-inch cordless dry cut saw. So before I jump into the saw itself, this saw is 100% designed by myself and the engineers in Mount Prospect for the North American end user. Let's jump into the features of the saw. So we have full system compatibility with our 18-volt platform, making this the first cordless dry cutter in the market. We rotate up to the upper guard here. We have our integrated line laser. This allows the user to have a more precision cut when using the saw. This is another market first for a dry cutter. Now, if we look around here, you come back around, we have our overload indicator LED here. This provides the end user direct feedback of load conditions on the saw itself. So if the user's pushing too hard on the saw, this will blink, letting them know to ease out the workpiece, allow the saw to do the work itself. If you encounter a blade bind or block rotor condition, this will stay illuminated yellow until the blade bind is cleared, and once it returns to normal, this will de-illuminate. We also have our toolless adjustable fence here. We have our cam lever, you lift that up. We have a miter adjustment handle here, you unlock that. You make quick positional changes, and also miter angle adjustments here. We have our integrated K adapter. This works for providing 2 points of contact, goes directly over the vise. Gives you 2 points of contact, making it a bit safer. It's for 2-inch round material up to 4.5-inch round material also. Now I'll give you a little quick demonstration of the cut of the saw itself. This is probably a 1.5-inch Schedule 40 pipe.
Okay.
Price is going to be $649 MSRP.
Okay. All right. Nice. All right. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it.
Yep. Good to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
This is our new bandsaw, GCB 18V-5. Feature set on this one's going to have our integrated hanging hook here, variable speed trigger. We have our speed control wheel that adjusts surface feet per minute. We have the battery at the top, optimized ergonomics, 5-inch cut capacity here. Also, we have our adjustment here as well. And we're going to go through, do some demos. This is going to be, I believe it's $399.
Hi, I'm Scott Hargis, product manager with Bosch. This year I have the brand new rear handle circular saw from Bosch. This is our first rear handle circular saw. This is great for workers that want better control. So the rear handle, you can adjust your angle as you go, much easier. Also, you get better reach. You can reach farther with the rear handle. This simulates a traditional worm drive, but we're getting extra power out of this due to our constant speed electronics. We're holding our 5,000 RPMs much longer than traditional saws. This one will outperform our traditional corded worm drive saw. I have a 12 amp hour in here. You can use 8 amp hour also, and a 6. Anything lower than that, you'll sacrifice some of your performance. Okay. Two sheets of 3/4 inch plywood. Here we have the Bosch GSA 18V-126. This is our highest power recip saw yet. With power becomes responsibility, and so we added kickback control to this. If the worker, the blade binds up, grabs, or if it catches a tooth, the saw will want to kick, this tool will stop the blade before it kicks the user. We also have stop control on this, so as you go through the material, even holding the trigger down, the blade will stop, so you don't go through the next piece of material or into your leg or body part. So I'll put kickback control on and stop control on so we can test that out. So kickback control went off because I let go with pressure. And stop control, I still have the trigger pulled, but the blade stopped, so I'm not cutting anything else.
I'm Chris here with Bosch at World of Concrete. This is our 9-inch cordless cutoff saw. It's a concrete wet and dry cutoff saw. It's a 9-inch blade, 3.3-inch depth of cut here. A couple of unique things on this tool, 6,200 RPM. Guys are using this tool to switch, cut between concrete and metal, so versatility is key here. We've got a patented spindle lock system here. With our onboard wrench we can bring out. The guy's got to change a diamond wheel to an abrasive wheel. You pull this lever here, put the wrench on, it'll lock in place here. It's locked. Now I can push it down, change this to when I tighten it back up. I can let go, push it up like this. I don't have to hold, don't have to push on a spindle or anything like that. So we put the wrench back in here. We've got our battery compartment in here. It's a spring-loaded release. It seals off the battery. You push this, the battery pops up, spring-loaded in the bottom here. So you don't have to struggle fighting to get the batteries out. It's also sealed off in this compartment. You've got your spindle lock up here, like I mentioned, the blade adjustment, different angles. Our hose is protected here to keep it from breaking on rough job site conditions. You bang it around, it's protected here. Our flow valve here for the hose, metal connector, standard interface. Push this on, 3/4-inch hose, on-off valve as well. A large trigger, gripping in many different positions, and you'll hear the brake and the soft start as well. Soft start, and then the brake right there as well. So we got a concrete demo here as well, and Pat will do a cut for us here with the wet cutting here with the diamond wheel, cutting through a concrete slab.
Hey, my name's Austin, product manager for Bosch Power Tools. We're here at the chipping station introducing our new cordless GSH 18V-5, Bosch's first cordless demo hammer. Going over a couple of the key features here. Starting at the top, we've got Verilok, 360-degree rotation, vibration control in the back here, lock on, lock off button. Back here on the HMI, we have 100% and 70% features. At 100%, you can get 20 minutes of runtime on a 12 amp hour battery, At 70%, you can get 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Philip. I work in product here at Bosch. Today I'm excited to introduce to you our new cordless 18 volt mud mixer. So this mud mixer comes with 600 RPMs. When you mix mud, what's really important is that the worker has control. Because if you don't have control and you mix too fast, the problem is going to be you're going to have mud all over the place, and that's the last thing you want to do. So our tool features like variable speed design, so we have from 1 all the way up through to 5. Also, we're featuring, for perfect ergonomics, we're going to feature a 240 degree adjustable handle here. So depending on the worker's preference, he can adjust the handle to wherever he wants it to be. Also, we've integrated a very popular feature that we have already on other products, which is kickback control. Especially when the compound that you're mixing gets harder and harder, it's really important to have that control. And if it jerks on you, that the tool doesn't break your arm. So I'm going to demo this now. So you can see the tool really has enough power. And then if it starts to get thicker, it may jerk on you. But then we have a sensor inside the tool that will detect the movement and will shut the tool down. So on to the next station. Here we're demonstrating our floor removal cart from Bosch. So this cart has 5 adjustable angles. Depending on how aggressive you want to go, you can adjust it all the way down. The advantage of our model is when you want to change out the jackhammer, you can do it pretty much with your hands. It's a toolless adjusting system, so which is really cool. Currently it only works with the our 11335K Bosch Jackhammer. Yeah, and then let's turn it on and try it out. Also, this year new, we have now a 1/1/8 hex score scraper chisel, which you can see here at the front, with extra robust bolts here. And also, if the blade gets dull over time, we have a replacement kit for it that can be that we can purchase as well. Okay, but let's try it out now. As you can see, you can remove tiles effortlessly without hurting your back.
Hi everyone, my name is Paul Smorak. I am the product manager on the SDS Plus and SDS Max rotary hammers. Today we're at World of Concrete 2025 where we're showcasing our full breadth of cordless hammers. Right here in my hand is our GBH 18V-22. This is our 3/4 inch SDS Plus rotary hammer, has anti-vibration, kickback control, has 3 different working modes, rotary only, rotary hammer, and a chiseling mode. We also has vario lock that changes the orientation of the chisel as you're chiseling with this hammer. It's also paired with our dust attachment system, which is our GDE 18V-12. So what's going to happen is this is going to pick up all the dust as you start drilling. It's going to be pulled through this system here and collected down in this dust collection box. We also have our full tip carbide bits when paired with our hammers. This is going to pound through the concrete like it's nobody's business. Very easy, simple, easy to use. Let's put this to work. As you release the trigger, it's going to continue to pull the dust away from the bit. Again, it's going to collect in this dust attachment system. So this is our 3/4 inch, our smallest SDS Plus hammer. All of our hammers have all of these features that I just mentioned, and our largest SDS Plus hammer is our 1.25 inch rotary hammer. Let's go on the other side. Let's take a look at the SDS Max rotary hammers. So when paired together with this dust collection attachment, it is OSHA compliant. So again, as it pulls that dust away, you're not breathing in those toxic chemicals. It's going to be collected right in this dust attachment device right here. So this is our SDS Max rotary hammer product line. This is our GBH 18V-45C. This is our 1 7/8" rotary hammer. It also has the same features as our SDS Plus, has our rotary with hammer, chipping mode, also has varial lock as well. Has anti-vibration, kickback control, so if you're drilling into concrete and you come into a binding condition, the tool will automatically turn off so you won't get injured. So this is our largest hammer. We have our 1 5/8". We also have our 1 9/16". Let's put it to work. And this is our cordless SDS Max rotary hammer. Good?
Hey guys, I'm Will with Bosch Measuring Tools. It's been a super exciting year for measuring tools, so I'm here showing off brand new lasers that will bring power, durability, and flexibility to all of your leveling and alignment needs. First off, I want to introduce the very first 3-plane laser powered by the Bosch 18-volt platform. It has upgraded best-in-class water and dust protection so that it can withstand the toughest job site environments. And it also has built-in Bluetooth technology for our most advanced features, such as line configuration and brightness adjustment. This is our most powerful laser yet, so we're super excited to be showing this off. Next up, I want to highlight our new line of 12-volt max lasers for power in a more compact size. We've redesigned the user interface for these tools for additional precision and speed on the job site. And it also comes with newly designed robust mounts and accessories so that your entire investment is protected. Finally, I want to highlight our opening price point. We have a new battery system powered by a 3.7 volt battery charged with our USB-C cable. So this is a new line that we're coming out with in the opening price point so that our entire line is now moving from alkaline to lithium ion. So this is our DTEC 200C. This will detect metal and non-metal up to 8 inches in the concrete. So you want to make sure that you don't have any rebar or PVC or metal piping before you start drilling. You can see that this tool is already kind of calibrating and detecting where that pipe is in the concrete. So it's actually saying metal here. So I know that there's a metal pipe right here, 2.1 inches into the concrete, so I can make sure not to drill over this specific area. When you travel over here, you see that this one is also metal. I can see that that's copper, about 1.7 inches inside the concrete. And then over here, I start to see there's a non-metal object, so that's my PVC pipe. I can see that the shape is a little bit bigger, so I know kind of where the edges of that PVC pipe is, so I can make sure also not to drill there. So really a good way to avoid mistakes in the process and make sure that you're not busting up your drilling or busting up your accessories when you drill into concrete. You don't know what's in there. This has been around for a little longer, a few years now, but this is really popular for concrete applications. The deal with the DTEC is $1049, and then you also get the Pro Partner points as a bonus.
Try again.
I'm good with that one.
You good with that one?
Yeah.
What you got? What you got? What you got?
Hopefully 10 pounds.
All the way from San Antonio.
What do we got? What do we got?
8 even.
8. Okay. Hey friends, that wraps it up here at Bosch. Let me know which one's your favorite. Leave your comments, your questions down below. I look forward to hearing from you. So that's it for now, friends. Have a great day. Hey friends, thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you want to see some more content for World of Concrete 2025, I have a short playlist right over here that you can check out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that button down below because we have a lot more videos coming out soon.